Hey there, all you random YouTube viewers. So, I am having another random adventure with Mitchell over here.
Yeah.
And we've come across a little icy patch.
I'm gonna slide down it.
And now you get to see me trip down it. Oh no. Now I'm just on my butt. Well, I guess so. What are we, like 5 minutes into this walk? And I'm probably already just making myself damp by sliding on my butt down a hill. Everything will be fine, he says. He'll bet $2 on it, he says. Hey, so we've finally made it to the waterfall. Quite nice. 10 out of 10. But we had to climb down this and several other hills. And to be honest, I'm not sure if I can get back up. He dropped his phone in water. So
It's in a tube right now.
oh boy.
That's about it. That's as much as I can say. As much as I know.
This is pretty. It's been a long time to get to this point. Not because it's a long trail, but because it is so slippery. I had to borrow his glove, but he has them back. So now this hand has no glove. My hand I think it's freezing. So, we survived all the hills. We only have this road now. We survived. I'm dying a bit. Just a little bit. Have anything to say?
No, it was pretty fun though, I'd say. I should have worn better shoes and I shouldn't have thrown my phone in the water there, but that's about it.
I should have brought gloves that were not my fingerless gloves. These ones are not my gloves. So yeah. Thanks for watching me struggle on this vlog. Goodbye.